Here's how to create this YouTube intro tutorial. In Video, create a new project. Press Material, Transition, pick the VHS glitch background. Tap Text. Type your text. Select Text Templates, Special, and look for No Signal. Scale and position it. Tap Copy. Drag it to your desired position. Press Edit. Type your text. Repeat the step and complete all your texts. Trim the start of each clip so they appear one after another. And you're done!